How to sign drafts. Open the respective file from inbox containing the draft. View the drafts list and open the one you wish to sign. Since the draft is already approved, you cannot make changes to the content, however just add, remove or edit the recipient's details in case something was missed. You will see 3 signing options: e-sign, DSC sign, and ink sign. Note that you can either sign digitally or upload an ink-signed letter, but not both. E-sign and DSC sign options will only be available in the application once you have registered them. We will learn more about the registration process in the digital signing module as we proceed in this course. E-sign process. When you click on e-sign, you will see 2 signing methods, custom and default, each offering 2 options, with fingerprint and with OTP. The custom method allows you to choose the location at the letter where you would want your signatures to appear, and the default method is a quick method, which places your signature at the bottom left side of the last page. Each of the 2 methods provides the option to either authenticate using your fingerprint, registered with your Aadhaar number, which of course requires the fingerprint scanning device attached to your system, or use an OTP, which will be sent to your mobile number registered with your Aadhaar. Click on e-sign. To sign at the location of your choice with OTP authentication under Custom, click with OTP. Follow the prompts to complete the e-Hastakshar process with OTP. Click Get OTP and then enter the OTP received on Aadhaar registered mobile number. Click Submit to digitally sign the draft. Once signed, the draft status changes to signed. DSC sign process. Click on DSC sign. To sign at the location of your choice, choose Custom and enter your DSC PIN with the DSC token plugged into your system. If you choose default, this directly asks for your DSC PIN, placing your signatures at bottom left corner of the last page of the document. After completion of this signing process, it will take you back to your now signed draft, and you can see the status now changes to signed. It is important to note that multiple users can digitally sign the same draft by forwarding the file to the next user. This is helpful in cases such as when committee members are required to sign memorandums and etc. Ink sign process. As already covered, the ink sign option allows you to maintain a copy of the ink signed draft letter. The signing authority must get the draft approved in the system, print it, sign it in ink, and then upload its scanned copy using the ink sign option. Once uploaded, the signing authority must confirm in the system that it is the same letter that was physically signed. Clicking the Confirm or Discard Ink Sign button opens a pop-up window for comparing the approved letter in the system with the uploaded ink signed copy. If everything matches, the signing authority can confirm it. If not, they can discard it and re-upload the correct document. Once this signing is complete, the draft is ready to be dispatched, which we will cover in the next section.